In my opinion, there are certainly few challenges which younger generation can contribute is. One of them is which pharma industry faces the manpower or the skilled talent itself.
Right, right.
So manpower, when we look at the pharma industry, there is a strong belief that people take this option not preferably. But if right people, the science graduate, and if he is willing to do it, I can assure you that person can grow from basic level to the highest position of the industry. So the first challenge which I say is the manpower and a skilled talent people. So that is a big challenge for pharmaceutical industry, and industry is spending a huge revenue in training, development and retaining of the people. The second challenge which pharmaceutical industry is passing through is government regulations. There are a lot of stringent regulations which are coming up recently, and of late government has decided, and as on when there is a change of government or there is requirement, the government keep on imposing or bringing on certain challenges. And pharma industry is a very large industry, so they have to cope up, and they quickly get aligned with the changing rules and regulations of the government. So that's another challenge. The third challenge which Indian pharmaceutical industry is technological advances. If you look at worldwide, the technology in last 5 years has changed very, very rapidly.
100%.
And in India also, although we are the largest API as well as formulation country worldwide, and India is able to cope up. I think keeping this pace with the moving in technological advancement is another one challenge which India or pharmaceutical industry has to manage. The fourth or third is the innovation. If we look at overall pharmaceutical operations, the industry, I feel when the young talent will come in, they will come up with a lot of new ideas and new learnings as well as innovation. The pharma industry somehow had been practicing the last or the over decades, whatever they have learned, their old learnings.
Yeah,
So
traditional.
the young talent is certainly expected to bring new knowledge, new innovations, and certainly way of doing things differently. The last which I think is very pertinent to pharmaceutical industry is the shrinking margins. Because of various issues, local players, government regulations, and lack of innovations, the government pharmaceutical industry is facing challenge of reduction in the margins or profits.
True.
So that we have to meet.